In this extra review, we're going to go over finding arc length and area of a sector. Again, we're going to go over problems number 1 through 4 together, and then you're going to try the next 4 on your own. Again, the problems you do on your own, make sure you double check your answers with the key. And it's really important, leave all your answers in terms of pi for all the problems we're going to do. So number 1, we want to find the circumference. So you will be given this. You don't have to memorize it. The circumference is 2 pi times the radius. Okay, well, if we look at our diagram, our radius is 21. So we plug it in. It's 2 pi times 21. And it's nice because we leave our answers in terms of pi. So we treat pi like a variable, as if it was like x. So all we have to do is just multiply the numbers. So 2 times 21 is 42. Tap on the pi and make sure you use the proper units. In this case, it is centimeters. This is circumference. And 2, we're going to find the area of a circle, another formula that you will be given. And the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. Then look at your circle. In this case, the radius is 7. So pi times 7 squared. Again, leaving in terms of pi is really nice. You just have to square 7. 7 squared is 49. Tap on pi. You're going to use proper units. In this case, it is inches. But we found area, so it's going to be inches squared. Yeah. So for 3, we want to find arc length. Okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to take the measure of the arc, not the length, it's the measure. So this arc is 50 degrees because the central angle and the arc are the same. So you're going to take the arc measure and put it over 360. Then you're going to multiply it by the circumference of the whole circle. So just like what you did in problem number 1. Just 2 pi times the radius. And here our radius is 5. So we still have 5 over 360. 2 times 5 is 10. And then all you have to do is plug this in your calculator. So do 50 over 360 times 10. And when you plug that in your calculator, keep it as a fraction. Leave it as 25 over 18. Again, tap on pi. Use the proper measurements. There you go. And if you need help how to enter this into your calculator, if you're entering it into your calculator, you're not getting 25 over 18, just raise your hand. One of us will be by to help you with that. So for 4, we're finding the area of a sector. So it's really similar to number 3. You're going to take the arc measure, which in this case is 20. You're going to put it over 360. But because it's area of a sector, when we find the area of a piece of the circle, instead of using circumference, we use area. So just like we did in problem number 2. Okay. Then the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So in this case, the radius is 6. So when you clean it up, you still have 20 over 360. 6 squared is 36. And again, you just have to plug this part into your calculator. Just do 20 over 360 times 36. If you need help with that, you can just pause the video, and then we're happy to help you and show you how to plug that in your calculator. So when you plug that in, you should get 100. If you don't get 100, please raise your hand. We'll help you with your calculator. And then make sure you tack on proper units. centimeters, and you found area, so it's centimeters squared. Go ahead, try the next four on your own. Again, if you need help with your calculator, just raise your hand and we'll help you with that.